All right, and finally, number 4. They want us to find out how many nights that the whole group could stay at the hotel if they had $3,126 left over. So we just discovered in number 3 that it cost them $880 to stay one night at the hotel. Right? Let me fix that. Costs $880 to stay one night at the hotel. Okay? So we want to see how many nights or how many times they could pay $880 for everyone to stay. Okay? So in other words, how many groups of 880 are there in $3,126? Again, we're trying to find the amount of groups in a number, so we are dividing. So we are going to use our partial quotients method again. All right? And the number that we're breaking down or dividing is 3,126. That's the total amount that's there. And we want to see how many times 880 can fit into 3,126. Okay? So we know that it can fit one time because it's lower than it. So the next thing that I'm going to try is 2. All right? And when you do the partial quotients method, all you're doing is breaking down your dividend a little bit at a time. Okay? So we have 2 groups of 880. How much is that? We'll come over here and multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. I put my 6, regroup my 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus the 1 I regrouped is 17. All right? So that's 1,760 that we can subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. I can't take 6 away from 2, so we need to regroup. 12 minus 6 is 6. I can't take 7 from 0, so we need to regroup again. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, we see that if we do 2 groups, that gives us 1,760. Right now, after 2 nights, all we have is $1,366 left over. So we know we can't stay another 2 nights. So if we can't stay another 2 nights, the only thing that's left is one more night, which would be $880. We'll subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. You can't take 8 away from 6, so we need to regroup. Then 6 becomes 16 now. 16 minus 8 is 8. You can't take 8 away from 2, so we're going to regroup. 12 minus 8 is 4. We are now left with $486. How many nights can we stay at the hotel? Very simple. Let's add 2 plus 1 over here, our 2 partial quotients. So I'm just going to notate that those are our partial quotients. Messed up with my spelling there. Okay. So our partial quotients equal 3. So we know that we can stay 3 whole nights at the hotel. And after 3 whole nights, we'll have $486 left over. And that's what I just circled in blue. That's how much we'll have left over. We can't stay another night because an extra night for everyone would cost $880. All right, so the answer to number 4 is 3.